In this movie, I'm going to be showing you how you can recolor vector-based patterns in Adobe Illustrator. I've got a pattern here that I've downloaded from the website WGSN. For my Manchester students, make sure that you're logged in to WGSN before you download the patterns. If you don't, you won't have the ability to access the vector information. So that's really important. But this works for any vector-based pattern at all. Now, I've created a library. This library was based on a mood board or a trend board that I created in Photoshop. It's this one. So these were the colours that were utilised. Again, this has come from WGSN. I've made a library here. That means that I don't have to make new swatches and things. I can just drag and drop in Illustrator. So I've added these colours from my Phantasmagoria colour library into my swatches. So you can see I've just basically clicked on each one and then dragged it into place. So this pattern has come from WGSN. I've got it selected, and when that pattern's selected, about midway across your status bar here, there's like a little, it looks like a colour wheel, but it's in black and white. And if you hover over it, it says Recolor Artwork. If we click on that, we'll get this dialog box coming up, and it will show you all the colours that are currently utilised within that pattern. So I've got this top one selected, and if I want to, I can just double click where it says new, and it will give me my colour picker. And if I go to colour swatches, you can see the swatches that are over here now appear down here, and you can see all the new ones that I've added. So I'm going to start off by making this first colour here, this cream colour, which is called Unbleached. So I'm just going to click OK, and you can see my artwork changes dynamically. And then I double click on the second one, go to my colour swatches, and this one I'm going to make this kind of bright yellow colour. Click OK. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And then this one here, oh actually that should have been this colour, I should have made that, I'll leave it. So this colour I'm going to change, I'm going to make this this colour, and then the next one down, again back to colour swatches, and I'm just going through actually I'm going to leave that one, the yellow. This next one I'm going to make, there we are. And then this last one, change to another colour. What's left? I think it's this one. There we are. So there's my new colourway for my pattern. The nice thing about this is it retains the original. So there's my original pattern there, and there's my new pattern, and this is the one that I inadvertently clicked on. So we've got a slight change where I've just got this like little yellow stripe in there. You can see just very subtle change, two little changes. So it keeps all the colourways that you go through, and then you can just delete the ones that you don't want and keep the ones that you do, and that's it. There's nothing more to it than that. So I hope that's nice and clear for you. Okay.